Hello?
Hello, Papa Jack. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, good morning.
Yes.
What's your
Mahina
name?
po ba yung boses ko? Yeah, my name is Mick
Mick.
Mick
How do you say that?
from
M-I-K?
CDO. Yeah, MIK.
M-I-K. Hi Mick, good morning.
Mm-mm. Good morning. And yes, I just
Ilan taon na si Mick?
31 years old.
31.
Mhm.
Taga ano ka? Taga Cagayan de Oro ka?
Yes po, yes.
Okay. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Mick?
I'm also a VA.
A VA. Okay.
Yes. And hindi po ako marunong mag-Tagalog.
It's okay.
Hindi po
Your
ako
accent is beautiful, but if you're comfortable speaking in English, huwag ka
English.
mag-alala.
Yes.
Lalaban ako dyan. Huwag niyo ako minamaliit, ha?
Yes, kinakabahan din, ha?
Mm.
Yes.
Ano ka,
So,
anong salita mo?
Bisaya. And I
Bisaya.
have Ilocana, but my mom is an Ilocana. My father is from Bohol.
You speak Ilocana? Ilocano?
Not really. I can
Ah,
understand lang po. Like,
okay.
if they are gossiping people.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyways, si Mick ay isang VA. May asawa ka na, Mick?
Yes. 10 years married, 2 beautiful children.
Ilang taon yung mga anak mo?
My eldest is 11 years old. My second is 7 years old. Dalawa lang po.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, wala na kayong plano magdagdag?
Hindi na kasi ligate. Putol na yung dalawa.
Oh, okay. So, it's a
Yes,
decision that
'cause
the two of you decided
yeah,
on that. Okay.
hindi 100% kasi pero yung husband ko talaga yung nag-decide because I'm in cesarean section and I have also like minor operation, so he
Oh.
decided not to. Yeah.
He's afraid of the possibility na
Yeah, what if? Yes.
makompromise ka.
Mhm. Yes.
The husband must love you that much, huh?
Dito natin makikita sa yung story.
Mukhang may plot twist no?
Meron talaga. Meron po.
Mm-mm.
For although, yes.
Anyways,
And
what can I do for you?
mhm. Yeah, I just want to share my story. This is my actually nakakaiyak. First
Mhm.
time like talking to 7 people. I think you're the 7 people. And meron pang nakikinig. Parang thousands na ata.
Mhm.
I have, suffered like an SA, a term, an abused 4 to 6. I was a kid before 4 to 6 years old. Not sure if everyone if you get the term SA, and luckily I survived.
Yeah, sino gumawa sa'yo, ma'am?
A family member.
Okay, I will not dwell on things that you are not
Yes,
willing to
yes.
disclose sa akin. But
Mhm. Yeah.
let me ask several questions lang. From what age to what age, ma'am?
4 to 6 years old.
Did you get your justice?
No. Recent lang. Until this year, I decided to go on a therapy
Okay.
because I have been suffering from panic attacks, depression, anxiety, and I have planned to kill myself. So, and right now I have 2 children, and it's really unfair for them to do things. So
Alam
that's why
alam to ng asawa mo?
ngayon lang din.
Oh.
Yeah, I just kept quiet for a long time because I don't wanna like be a burden to other people. Like, oh, ayokong mag-iba yung tingin nila sa akin. I
Okay.
just wanna act like normal, yeah. And Yeah, I injured it. I survived within 19 years. I survived. I kept quiet. Then I met my husband. Although hindi na siya like new to me because we've been in classmates in high school. And eventually we get married, and I thought I thought I have, because as a trauma abuse, we are seeking for safety, safe person inside of me. Kasi nga, hindi ako naprotektahan ng ina-expect ko na family. So, naghanap ako ng ibang tao for me to feel safe and keep safe. And until then, my husband is also from a broken family. Tapos, I did not mind it because I know for myself na wala siyang ibibigay na problema because he's really tough. He's really like, he has conviction on himself. Tapos, in decision making.
Question, ma'am. No? You've known your husband since you were 20 or 19, tama?
Since high school, first year high school.
You've been
around.
You've been together since you were 20. Tama ba ako yung kwenta ko?
Yeah, 20 in marriage. Yeah.
Kailan niyo nalaman
Na ano po?
about your SA history?
This year lang po, January.
So you kept it from him all this?
Yes.
Oh.
And yes, may naging problem. We first year of our marriage, naging siya, drug addict.
Yung asawa mo?
Because yes.
Okay.
And like it runs within 9 years of our marriage. Putol-putol. Like nagiging okay siya, nagiging hindi.
Nagre-relapse.
Ganyan. Yeah, nagre-relapse. Tapos, hindi naman siya gaanong wild, although meron ng money, pangungutang sa ibang tao na hindi ko alam. Tapos, nagiging na siya. Like, hindi nang bubugbog, pero ako kasi meron na akong trust issues. Like, kinikep ko lang yung akin din because naawa din ako sa kanya. I felt pity on him. Like, he's from a broken family, so I need to stand up. Ayaw kong dalawa kami mag-suffer. Like, I have also trauma. And ayaw kong
So, what was that part of the reasons kung bakit hindi mo sinabi sa kanya kagad?
Yes. Because naawa din ako.
Because you thought it wasn't time and it maybe he wouldn't handle it more properly, parang gano'n?
Yes.
Okay. Gets.
Baka because I don't want, like, ayaw kong baka din siya, may stress because he's suffering also. I know, I can see it.
Okay.
Because of his family's history. And ayoko ding sabayan yung nararamdaman niya. Kaya kinep ko na lang. And until recently, paiba-iba kami ng bahay. Kasi iniiwas ko din siya sa mga tao. Na mga barkada. Until umalis kami sa iba't ibang lugar. Pumunta kami ngayon dito sa house namin. Naging okay naman siya. I can see the changes, the small efforts. Pero yung trust issues ko, built na talaga. Parang sirang-sira na. But I need to...
Trust issues dun sa kanyang bisyo?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi meron ng money, nagnanakaw na. Tapos i-interrogate ko.
Okay.
Siya magagalit. Tapos, hindi ko na talaga nakaya. And last year, we have major fights already. And naawa na ko sa mga anak ko kasi malalaki na, umiiyak na. They can see it. And I stand ko na talaga yung sarili ko na you need to hear something from my part. And I think Ganun.
Okay, I did not get that part. You stood your ground and you said you need to hear something from me.
Yeah. No, meron,
Ah,
I mean, you need to hear something from me also.
okay.
Because
What,
it's already,
what did you mean when you said that?
na meron din akong sikretong tinagtago. Like,
Oh, okay,
yes.
okay. So parang
Like, I have,
hindi you're not the only one here who's got demons. Ako din
yes.
parang ganon. So you told him.
Oo, ganun. Yeah, I
Okay.
told him.
Mm.
And he just kept quiet. Although he gets angry. Pero hindi siya nagalit sa akin. But
Mm.
hindi siya nagalit. Naawa siya actually sa mga stories. Because for coming from an SA, it's actually like very clear on our head. Like, it's a trauma. There's a trigger. There's a lot of trigger. And ganun nga. Na-shock siya. Because paano ko daw tinago lahat yun while suffering from him.
Okay.
And after that, I decided to go to therapy because I can see my children crying already. And it needs to stop because also my
Yung
triggers,
children mo ba aware? Or you,
no,
okay,
na may
at least.
sigawan lang na nangyayari.
So
Na,
hindi nila alam kung anong pinagdaanan mo as a,
yes,
okay,
yes,
good.
yes. Hindi. Because it's unfair for them also.
Yeah, of course. Hindi nila maintindihan ngayon yan.
Yes.
They will not have the mechanism yet to process it. Yeah.
Correct. Yes. Tapos doon, nag-therapy ako. Although we have also small issues like yun nga, yung trust issues ko, baka triggers ko. And we go to therapy, I have, CPTSD diagnosed and severe depression because I want to kill myself sometimes. And also an anxiety. And nandun siya while having therapy. He can hear it, all the doctor's advices. And I'm not really sure also if nagbago na ba talaga. Because right now, my focus is myself for healing. Because 9 years, we've been like, relapse siya ng relapse. Ako naman tago ng tago. Care ng care. Okay lang yan. Parang umabot din ako sa point na, ako din naman. It's kind of unfair. But, I need to be strong for my kids. Ganun. And my question, also, quick lang. As a guy, Papa Jack, right? Kasi nga I can see changes, some changes na positive. Kasi ang lala ng trust issues ko, not sure if he's showing it right or if he's just showing it. I mean, showing it for just naawa siya. Kasi madami din akong what if sinabi ko. Kasi ganyan din yung sinabi niya pag mag-aaway na talaga kami. Bakit ngayon mo lang sinabi? Bakit siguro hindi ako naging drug addict? Hindi ako naging ganito kalala.
Ano na lang yan? Wishful thinking na lang yan.
Ganyan yung sinasabi niya. And ayun nga, ngayon, recently lang nag-away kami. I tried to hurt myself again. The trust issues, sobrang lala kahit yung the therapist itself cannot help me. I think it cannot help me because at the end of the day, ikaw lang din yung tutulong sa self on how you handle every triggers and manifestation. Kaya not sure if nagbago ba talaga siya for the family, for me, for the kids, or nagbago lang siya kasi he heard something that you know, an experience, an experience that shocked him na nandun pala, na tinatago ko.
Okay. Well, that confuses me because regardless of the reasons, what I'm hearing is nagbago siya. I think it's counterintuitive for you to question kung alin doon ang dahilan ba't siya nagbago.
Yeah, yes. Alin nga dun.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
As long as nagbago siya.
I mean, kasi ganito
Mm-mm.
I get where you're coming from. Feeling ko what you're saying is, so kung halimbawa wala akong pinagdaan ng SA ng bata ako, if I was not a victim of SA ng bata ako, hindi ka magbabago.
Yes.
That's exactly what you're saying, no? And I hear you, no? I mean, if you're going to look at it from that angle, nakakasama talaga ng loob.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, I'm a believer, Mick, that there is a profound reason for everything.
Yeah.
That I don't want to sound as if I'm romanticizing this, but I'm saying if it takes that, him knowing the grim reality of your past, to be sober and become a reliable partner again to you, then so be it.
Okay.
I think the two of you will have to go through some healing process, you and him.
Yes.
The two of you and him. Despite of how you might think of your relationship, there's beauty in, ayoko maging I don't want to sound as if I am kinagagalak ko na pinagdaanan mo ito, but I hope you indulge me here. Ready?
Yes. Yes.
There's this profound meaning and unwarranted beauty in your suffering. Hindi ko pinagpapasalamat na pinagdaanan mo to, but all I'm saying is what you're going through right now, in the same manner that your husband needs to go through the same thing that you're going through, keeps the two of you aligned and in the same wavelength. Because you are the only two persons or people in the world who can look into each other's eyes and tell each other, look, I know and I have an idea of what you're going through.
Yes.
So I could care less of the reason why, kung bakit siya nagbago.
Oh.
All I'm saying is, nagbago siya. I take it.
Siguro nga.
I take it. Regardless of the reason.
Natatakot. Yeah. Natatakot din ako. I'm also afraid. Kasi in the future, maybe babalik. Hindi ko din alam.
Well, you've been through so much. No? For 10 years now, nailaban nyo ito. I have no inclination of a doubt na hindi nyo ito kayang ilaban ulit in the next 10 or 20 years. Have you heard of these people who are just too intertwined sa buhay nila that no matter what they do, they end up in the universe of each other?
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard of those people? I think
you
kayo
know.
yon. I think kayo yun.
Yeah, minsan nga pinapaalis ko na siya. Like, you're also one of my triggers kasi multiple trauma. Like, unfair ba if sabihin ko sa kanya, yeah, he become like a hero when we came. Like, I have a family to start and forget. Akala ko na perfect. Although I left my past behind, I kept quiet, kept in the Pandora box, locked in. Then boom. Then ngayon lang ako nagka-strength. Sabihin na I have this trauma. I just kept quiet because I think of you all.
Calling the show tonight, what did you want to ask me?
Yeah, the trust issues. Like, what if mag-relapse na naman?
Actually,
Ang
matagal mo na.
hirap kasi. Ang hirap kasi my partner na ganyan. For 9 years, we have been suffering.
I think you have answered that question 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago. I think you had the same doubts 9 years
Mhm.
ago, 7 years ago, 8 years ago.
Yes, and
And you
meron nga.
and you remained by his side.
Yes, yung mga anak. Yeah, minsan nahihirapan yung utak ko. If, I'm happy with him. He came like a hero. So, minsan napapaisip ko na kung what if talaga bumalik. Mahirap. Tapos I'm in the middle of, here I am. Lumabas na yung secret ko na tinatago.
Here's what I think is going to happen. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I think, Mick, you are going to deal with more of his demons. It's not yet over.
Okay.
In the same manner, I think the two of you will have to deal with him knowing it on the 10th year of you being together, what you've been through in the past.
Mm-hmm.
But I think after all of this, you're going to heal together. I don't believe that telling you tonight, like, or asking me, Papa Jackson, what if mag-relapse? You have answered these questions 5 years ago, 4 years, 3 years ago. But you chose to remain by his side.
Yes. Yes. Walang ano lang. Curious lang din ako. Nagbago ba talaga siya? Because hindi, it's a realization na there's a bigger, there's a bigger elephant in the room. It's not me. Na meron lang din palang problema. And yan, suffering. or or for the kids also. What if hindi ko makaya next relapse? Because it's still fresh last January.
Well, I do not want to answer questions that are not yet
Mhm.
questions.
Okay. Yeah.
Again, ulitin ko ano, Mick,
Mhm.
there are those people who are just too intertwined. Their lives are too intertwined.
Mhm.
That no matter what they do, their universe will spin to be with each other's universe. That they always belong in the same orbital space. If anything, I guess you are two people who can look at each other's eyes and tell yourselves, we know how to heal each other. I know what you're going through. There are days we might hate each other, but I'd rather do this to you than with anybody else.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. Yes, ang ganda nun. It's my first time hearing it. Intertwined. Yeah, I think that's it.
Well, if you believe that part, then stop fighting it.
Yeah.
Because you're fighting it hard eh. Hindi ko alam ba't siya nagbago. Who cares? Nagbago siya.
Yeah,
Maybe,
meron din kasi mga people around me reminding toxic lang minsan yung ibang tao na ay, it's not really there na
well, make ganito ano. I learned this from Steve Harvey. And I agree with this. Sabi ni Steve Harvey, when you are in a marriage, you have to form a two-handed circle. And you shouldn't
Mhm.
let anybody else in that circle.
Okay. Yeah, I think I got already the good advice that I wanted tonight.
Nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo eh. Because this is just the first year that he's learned about your past.
Yes, really fresh.
Hindi mo pa nakikita kung ano effect sa kanya talaga nito.
Mhm.
So,
Hello.
good luck to the
Yeah.
two of you.
Thank you.
Again, this is what I'm sure of. You'd rather do it with him than do it
Okay.
alongside somebody else. Right?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
What's your message for him? In case marinig niya to.
Ay, nandito siya.
He's listening to us?
Nandun sa labas.
Nakikinig siya?
Mm.
What do you want to tell him?
Ano, kahit ang pangit ng mga, memories, I still appreciate everything. Good and bad. I still really appreciate everything. Because he's given me a beautiful child. And proud ako ang gaganda at gwapo ng mga anak ko. And that is already a good reminder. that I need to move on, and we need to move on because we have each other. I know it's not, ano, it's not really, hindi lang ito. Meron pa mga problema, but we'll get through it. I know. Yan lang for now. Yeah, I think that's it.
Nakaka-proud kayong dalawa. No? I'm not saying nakaka-proud yung mga ginawa niya, but, the grit, yung grit ninyo to survive it together,
Yeah.
that's rare. That's hard to come by.
Thank you. Thank you for listening and the wonderful advice. And ganun, I will keep reminding myself
Mick,
for that.
I want to give you something you can ponder and imagine on.
Mm-hmm.
You're 31 years old. Another 30, another 30 years of your life.
Yes.
You'll be old and gray. Probably one day, someday, in the near future, the two of you will be too old, looking at some wilderness together. And you're gonna go back to all the years and the fights and the struggles that you went through together. At dahil malalampasan nyo naman to, one day, if it makes sense to you, you're going to tell each other when you're older how proud the two of you sa bawat isa. Because you made it through. Because you made it through.
Thank you. Thank you.
This might not matter now, but one day when you look back, when you're older, this will all make sense.
Yes, it will.
I hope I'm able
Thank
to
you.
help you out with anything.
Yes. Yes. Having like living for me, living in this cruel world, that's my definition. There's a few people marunong makinig. Thank you, really.
Thank
I really
you.
appreciate it.
It's a privilege that you choose me to listen to your most profound pain.
Yes.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Good morning, Papa Jack. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.